Hi guys, evening everyone. We're actually here in Oslob right now. This is our setup. Look at that. It's so nice here. It's so cold and there's a lot of trees. Actually had our dinner and this is our comfort room. A little kubo there. This is our setup. Here, this is the tent and the tarp. Look at this. So nice. Good night everyone. Hi everyone, good evening. We are here in Oslob, Cebu. This is our setup tonight. Just actually around, we just arrived here around 9 p.m. Almost 10 already, but we are still able to set up our tent properly even though there's no light because there's no electricity here. We're actually in the mountain of Oslob right now. Kids are playing inside the tent. Our motorcycle is here, our chairs. This is again our setup for tonight. We had our Christmas lights over the tent. Let me try to get over here on the other side. This is the tent of Be Patient. Just try to check their blog. Again, this is our tent with the tarp over the tent and some lights, and that one is the tent of Emily and Michael. So let's see the kids inside the tent. We're about to sleep because it's already like midnight, but they are still playing. So we just had our dinner actually, so I'm gonna sleep later after coffee, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and close. Alright, so again, that's it. That's our setup for tonight. Actually in nowhere right now, somewhere in Oslob, and there's no electricity here, so see you guys in the morning. Guys, good morning everyone.
Lubat yun.
Yung mga